Hey guys, it's Corey with Bogus G&E here. Just wanted to make a quick little video. It's actually a shout out video. Shout out to Juan. Here's Juan. He showed up and helped me change my tire after he watched me struggle for a minute trying to break one of my 5 lug nuts loose. I had all the other 4 broke loose, just not one of them. It wouldn't come. So he came over and lent me a hand. So Juan, thank you very much from me to you. Much appreciated. I've enjoyed making content for y'all. So Juan, this episode's entirely for you. Yes, it is raining here. I'm coming back from a job interview, which is crazier because, again, job interview day, tire goes flat when I get there. But they were nice people. But Juan, thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day. Take care.